stay tuned for the finished product. This is the one that has the cracked lower, so we're gonna repair the lower and refinish the whole upper. So I tried to clean up the rust as much as I could, but as you can see, I took off some of the parkerizing because obviously the rust had eaten through it. Has some rust up here, rust up here. So enough excuse to Cerakote it. So stay tuned. On the barrel shroud, you can see how the parkerizing is very scratched up, and you can see a lot of rust in the inside of the holes. I would guess from sweat and whatnot from your hands. So I wanted to get rid of that rust and again just redo the finish since it's scratched. On the magazine, I chose the worst one out of the 4 I had. You can clearly see how this one has a lot of surface rust on it. So we're restoring this Tech 9. As you can see up here, if you see right there, there's pitting. That was where it was rusty and it had eaten through the finish. And you see the top is rusty, and in between there, you saw all of this was really rusty under there. So it's sandblasted right now. And then it's gonna be Cerakoted so that it's sealed. If you see the inside, I'm not sure if I showed it on the video, but the inside up in here, it was very, very, very badly rusted. So you normally wouldn't Cerakote the inside of the gun, but I'm gonna give it a very light mil spec coat on the inside so that it can be protected from rust, definitely not leaving it raw. So as you can see, I sandblasted the inside too. I'm gonna leave the cap on for painting so that the threads don't get gunked up. As you can see, it still has a little bit of oil, so I'm gonna bake it, let it off gas, and yeah, stay tuned for the finished product. This is the one that has the cracked lower, so we're gonna repair the lower and refinish the whole upper. This is the barrel extension. This one doesn't show up hitting as much, but inside all these holes it was pretty badly rusted. I tried not to do the inside of the barrel because it's gonna be hard to Cerakote, but couldn't find anything that, you know, wouldn't break in the sandblaster. So the inside is gonna get Cerakoted too. Let's see how that turns out. It's not gonna be easy to get Cerakote, you know, evenly in there without getting runs on the outside, but I'm gonna try my hardest. So again, this is the barrel shroud. I had 4. This was the worst one. As you see, we got all the surface rust off of it and the finish. Now we're gonna Cerakote it too. Step 1 of the Tech 9 Cerakote restoration. Everything is painted gold first. Now for the next part. So, might have skipped a few steps, but this is what it looks like now. Like a 300 Mad Max, Spartan, Warrior, Walking Dead finish, but this is before the clear coat. I can cook it like this and it'll stay just like this and it'll be super resistant. But the thing is that the black kind of fades and turns grayish and kind of takes away the clarity of the gold. So you're gonna see now, once I hit everything with the clear coat, you're gonna see how everything just pops. The gold is gonna